ask for when you ask for cream?
I asked for sweet cream.
Ooh.
Wow, they give us a lot of sweet cream. Holy shit.
Where'd you go first? Oh, it's Starbucks.
I'll spill all over everything. Okay. Forgot what shot is here. Probably that shot. A little more. Yeah. All right.
Ooh.
We're a venture-backed startup. Okay. Well.
Amazing.
Oh, that fucks. Yeah. Okay. Anybody else? Everyone's scared? Nobody wants it? All right, more for me. Charles, did you want any?
It's pretty good.
No.
Okay, think about Coke. Okay, that's what it is.
No, dude, this fucks. I'm like 100% in on this. Nobody else wants any? That's crazy.
More for me, I guess.
More for me? Hell yeah.
Coke Zero.